Okay, elves, we're gonna do a quick medical check to make sure that you're A-OK. Ooh.
Christmas! Woohoo! Christmas! Woohoo! Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Santa! Merry Christmas! Oh, Phoebe, it's me! Oh, I thought you were Santa. I was just putting your present under the tree. Oh, is that present meant to be moving? Is it a toy puppy? Is it a unicorn? Oh, let me see. I don't know why it's moving. Oh, I need to open it. Well, I agree, but I don't think it should be moving. Miss Hands, could we have a hand, please?
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. Whoa, that is one lively present you have there.
We need to open it.
Well, alrighty, let's take a look, shall we? It's still moving, it's wriggling. That's really weird. Let's find a little corner where we can start to unwrap. Maybe I have to tear the paper a bit. Oh, there we go. Take that bit off there. I think I can see something underneath.
What is it?
Finally, I've been wrapped up in this present far too long.
Ooh, you got me a real elf? Uh-oh, this was an accident.
I'm not a present. I was helping Santa.
Santa? Oh, Fizzy! I got it! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bobbity Bop!
Oh, phew! I'm saved! Woohoo! Ah, there you are.
Hey, I think we should take you to the vet's for a checkup, just to be sure you're both okay.
Sorry for the mix-up. I meant to wrap this coloring of an elf that I drew. Oh dear, Fizzy. I'll try and get to the pet vet. Phoebe, Weeby, Bobbity Bop!
Okay, elves, we're gonna do a quick medical check to make sure that you're A-OK.
Ooh, careful there, elf. We need that. So, who wants to go first?
Start with me first. I'm Elphaba.
Elphaba is such a pretty name. Okay, I'm just going to give you an x-ray. Let's have a look.
Can you see anything?
Nothing at all.
I'm Elliot. Can I try the machine?
Of course, Elliot. Let's give it a go.
Elliot, it looks like you're all clear.
Let's check their ears.
Hey, great idea. Here's the magnifying glass.
Nope, nothing there. Nothing there either. What about there? Let me take a look. Whoa, what was that?
What? What is it?
Ooh, what is it, Fizzy? It looks like Elphaba is magical.
Let's check Elliot, too.
Oh, my turn again.
Elliot, you're magical too. Now that is awesome.
Well, we are elves, so that makes sense.
Can you show me how your magic works?
Okay, here goes, Phoebe. Unicorn wrapped, appear.
Would you like help unwrapping it, Phoebe?
Oh, please.
Okay, here we go. Let's see where I can find some tape. And I'll tear that bit there. Can you see anything yet, Phoebe?
I can see an eye. Oh, what is it?
glad you like it. Is there anything else you need to check?
No! My heart is beating so fast, I have a unicorn! Good point, Phoebe. I need to check both heart rates. Heartbeats are so cool.
Okay, Phoebe, we need to listen very closely.
Stay still, Elphaba. I'm trying. I'm just so restless. Just imagine helping deliver all the presents with Santa.
Great! Your heart rate is very quick, but that's okay. It's from excitement.
That's because it's Christmas.
Christmas! Woohoo! Christmas! Woohoo!
My heart rate might be quite high after that.
We can check. Your heart rate is very high. I think we need to do something more calming. I have an idea. It's time to relax.
Great idea, Phoebe. Time for a pamper.
We're late for Santa.
Keep that heart rate down, remember? It's time for Christmas dinner.
We can't see Santa looking like this.
Well, we do have a magic pool you could use.
That sounds perfect.
Now we just need our magic water.
Should we jump in?
Yes. Let me pour some more magic beads in for you.
Ooh, yeah! Woo, yay! I think we're ready for Christmas. Ooh.
I'm really sorry about wrapping you up before. It was the best present ever!
We'll tell Santa to come next year. Definitely. This has been such a fun Christmas.
I'm so sad you have to go.
We'll see you next year. Bye!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Go busy bye!